Hello and welcome to the On Air channel. Today we are doing a haul. I went to Joann's and they had a really good sale because it's the beginning of the year and I just kind of went perusing around. I just finished the Patricia collection and now I'm going to be doing a new collection. So I needed some fabric and then it turned into all of this and now I'm like, let me show you a haul of what I actually got. Everything here I got for $69 and let's see if we can get a good view. I got it for $69.72, and the total before like the discount was like $100 exactly for all of this stuff. So it's a great price, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what I needed. Okay, first things first. This fabric here was really kind of I needed something like a leather. They didn't have like leather or a camel or anything like that, so I had to basically really just find something that was close to a camel color because I'm going to be pairing it with this fabric here in the next collection. So it's going to be like a camel and a textile type of texture. So I thought this was really cool. I only got a yard, and I think the yard was, I have to go back and look on here. The yard was $8.99. Yeah, that's where it was. It was $8.99 for the yard, and then they took an extra. Hold on, let me double check. So release scrapbook, slip cover, pick me up tool, permesia. Yep, solid potting. Yeah, so this was like $8.99. This was cheap, and then it took an extra $3.50 off. And this is for a yard. That's all I needed. So I thought that was pretty nice. The other thing I needed for this next project I have coming up is some fusible weight. They had 60% off of this, so this was probably like, what, $3? So this is pretty good. You'll see that in a future video. And what's going to also go with that is these zippers. So if you're interested in my next collection, you know, this is like the material and when I got it. So this is very new. And really I need a long zipper because I want it to be like a big bag. And this is from Coats & Clark Fashion. And I got the 24-inch, which is a 61 centimeter. And then I have the 36-inch, which is the 91 centimeter. And it's extra long. So I don't know which one I'm going to use just yet. But, you know, it's on the map. Alright, so what else is going on here? We have a lot of stuff. I'm going to take everything out the bag. First things first, I saw some washi tape on discount. If you're like a note taker or you just like making tags or whatever, or you just like just sticking stuff there, get you some washi tape. This was like $4.97. Let me see if they had a discount on this. The washi tape, it was, yeah, it was $4.99, and I think, oh, stop it. The tape right here, it was $1.49. Y'all, I got $1.49 for this. So one thing that it is that I liked is that this one is a chalkboard, so it has like a multi-use, and it's a lot in here. I opened it up in this car because I was really curious. But look how much washi tape you get. I'm so excited. Come on, give me a good close-up. Look at that. Okay, so that was a lot. It says that it is 4 inches and by 3.8 yards. That's a lot of tape. This other one that I got, I'm kind of into polka dots right now, but I'm trying to be cute about it because I probably will get tired of it and I can't put it on everything. But I got this beautiful black and white polka dot washi tape. It's pretty freaking big. You see like the palm of my hand? My goodness. So it's also 4 inches by 7.65 yards. So it's a little bit smaller in length. But the washi tape is beautiful. Like, y'all, I had to peel it back a little bit. And you see, like, it's thick enough, but, like, still thin. It's just, I love whenever it doesn't show the paper behind it. So I really love that. So, yep, both of these were $5. It says $4.97. I think a little bit more was taken off at the register. So, yeah, 4th of July is happening every year. And I don't have anything patriotic. So I got this. Oh, I think I have, like, a stamp that's like, you know, the lady in New York Oh, that sounded ridiculous. But anyway, I needed an American flag one just because I feel like I need something patriotic. And then I found this Pick Me Up silhouette. I'm so excited about this tool simply because I like glitz, you know what I'm saying? And I'm not a huge like glitter person, but I love a great like, you know, pearls or like diamonds type of like embellishments. I had a hard time picking it up. I would actually use my hand and then like my hand would get like all in the glue and stuff like that. So this was $6, $6.99. There we go, $7. And then it had a discount. So if you have a 20% off, hey, I think this will be a good use of your 20% off of your purchase. I needed one of these. I could have got it off of Amazon, but I did not want to wait. It was $3.99. Discount came off of this one as well. But I remember the ones that had like a wood handle, so they didn't have that. And the other one that they had too was paired with like a measuring tape, and it was like $9 or something. $4 is still a little too much for this tool, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do, and I need something quick, fast, in a hurry. I don't know why I didn't show this, but with the other washi tapes, but this is like Park Lane, and y'all, Park Lane is coming through with some freaking heat. Like, this is Park Lane, the washi tape I was telling you about. Let me see, it's not giving. There we go. This is, I mean, the quality is there. You see that stripes? Who wouldn't want that on a project? I mean, I need my camera to get it together, but look, who wouldn't want that on a project? If I had some colored paper or something, you can easily make this into a tag. And it's 22.5 yards, so I do feel like this is a hefty amount, especially for it to be decorative tape. And it has a very, like, this is the tape on the edge of the paper. It has a gloss to it. Let me see if I can get a better shot. It has a beautiful gloss to it. So it's not like matted or anything like that, but it's a lot of tape. But it's absolutely pretty. Okay, so another thing that I got from Park Lane is these embossing folders, and I have like loads and loads of embossing folders, so I can't wait to kind of swatch this with you guys with different colors and stuff and make some projects. But I'm a embossing folder full. And then, y'all, I was gonna buy this from Spellbinders, but this was cheaper. This was $5. Let me see. It's an embossing folder, so this was wait. Regular price, $2. It was $2 for both of these. I literally should have bought stuff that I wouldn't even like purchase if it was full price. $2, we can take it, like throw it in the bag. So another thing that I purchased is I kind of wanted to make or play around with like, you know, this stamping, making like, I guess it's like dog clothes or whatever. So it has a die cut to make the skirt. You can also have like kind of like a mermaid situation going on here. And then it has like the face and legs and, you know, some nice sentiments. And I'm a sucker for sentiments. And then I also have a couple of like, you know, other stamps that have like eye stamping. So I wanted to play around with that a little bit. I don't know when I'm going to incorporate that or how I would use it in making adult crafts. But yeah, and before we get to this paper, I also got this Cricut Vinyl. They have a really good 50% off deal. Not to mention it was like, if you buy two, you get one free or something like that. But it's like premium vinyl and it has like this beautiful brushed copper. I'm going to make a sign and some like keychains and stuff like that with this. So I'm happy to have this in the stash. And I lost for words. I can't wait to work on that. But I wanted to save the best for last, which are these two paper pads. Now, with this paper pad, there's the Park Lane and the DCWV Silverleaf and the Bloom de Fleur. 34 sheets on this one, 12 sheets with silver foil. And you actually get more than 12 sheets. I don't know, 12 sheets. Oh, it only has 12 sheets with silver foil, but you at least get 36 sheets here as well. I've been really feeling these two brands as far as like their paper. They've been coming through with some epic designs. I know I needed, and I'm going to get into Silverleaf first. I know I needed Silverleaf because I don't have too much silver in my stash. And I do like to wear silver more than gold, but I do wear gold a lot. that sounded weird and full of cap. But the point that I'm trying to make is that I really love the basic colors of this pad, and they're front and back. So, you know, and they have sentiments in there that you can be able to give away and add to your cards and your books and stuff. But I really, really appreciate like a very good standard, you know, decorative cardstock pad. So I needed this. And the other thing that I loved about this one, Park Lane, is that I'm not huge on pink, but she serves pink in such a sophisticated way. And there's other pads that are there that I need to go back and get. But this one is so pretty. Like, I can't even... So these are front and back too. So they have some good basics in the back. But I'm stopping right here because look at that. This paper right here is like a different type of like craft paper. I don't know if you can really hear it. Sorry if you hear all that jumping and stuff. My neighbor's out there playing, you know, with a skateboard. But look at that. That's a different type of paper that they have kind of spread up and through here. And then they give you some beautiful foil paper. You see that on the back of this beautiful like floral paper. Then they give you this beautiful dark paper with this light paper. Just a beautiful, beautiful contrast. Then they have this awesome craft paper that has this beautiful floral in the front. I love this contrast as well. So she's playing with darks and lights, and that's just so helpful. I really love this print as well. And then, you know, she has, of course, some of those extras that you need here. And then there was like, oh, look at that one. You see that? And then it's this beautiful green on the inside. And then she has some like acetate paper in here. Look at that. I can't even complain. Got some wood on the back of some greenery. And yeah, there's this paper pad is full of goodies that you could be able to make some great things out of. So you're going to see some great stuff happen. If you have any questions or you shop at Joann's and you see some things popping, let me know in the comments because, you know, I'm always down to ride. But in saying that, take a look at my Instagram and my Pinterest and social media. Simply because I make projects all the time based upon what bloggers have out there, because they simply inspire me and I just like a challenge, and that's just how I create. Also, check out some of my collections that I have too based on bloggers and putting things together as great gifts. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up, and I look forward to chatting with you soon. There's going to be another haul coming up soon because I purchased some Spellbinder things. And then I also purchased some things from scrapbook.com. So the Spellbinders things is like going to be like my Sizzix switch. And then then the scrapbook is going to be a couple more things that I can be able to craft with. But nonetheless, it's time for me to make some more videos. So I'm going to get out of here so I can content create, and I'll talk to you soon. I love to live and I live